Hey. Papa. Welcome, boys. Welcome. Welcome. Hey, welcome.
Papa, see you.
Yeah.
Hey, Papa, you enjoy, you know.
You call this one enjoyment? It's alright. Let it be so.
Papa, you enjoy it.
You call this enjoyment, let it be so.
Yeah, but it's true now. You are relaxing and enjoying palm wine.
If you think this is enjoyment, let it be so.
Chama, has Papa eaten this morning?
Why are you asking if I've eaten? You want to turn into a girl and cook for me?
Papa, did I do anything wrong in asking of your well-being? I can see that this palm wine is entering your body. It's working with your body.
Even if you want to turn into a girl and cook for me, this is your beard. I don't know. On top of a girl. You know your boundaries. I bet.
Papa.
When he wants to eat, he told me.
Papa, you will not change. Choma, take the key. Bring out the thing.
I will, brother. But let's go inside first. I cooked Tom hand soup with hot apple. Let me give my brother something to eat.
Welcome, my brother. Welcome. Yeah. Welcome, man. How? But you get your money back. You're wonderful palm wine tapper. Can you alone carry everything there? Why are they not helping you?
Enjoying the food.
She's fine.
No sign of pregnancy yet.
Children are heritage from God, and the fruit of the womb is a reward. I believe that God will do everything possible.
Honey, you have said it all. At God's appointed time, He will give you children.
It's times like this that I remember Mama. That she's dead and gone will not change any of her good wishes for us. It shall come to pass.
I'm not bothered.
But then your marriage is still young. Please do not think of it.
I'm not bothered.
Choma, this your food is too delicious. I
Told you.
give me more meat.
No. You have finished all the meat she gave us. I only ate one. And you're asking for another one. Choma, please don't mind it.
Yeah.
Don't mind.
Man, what's the problem now? Yeah? Did I tell you to eat only one? Eat meat now. Give me meat, please.
Look, if she brings another one, who's go become? Don't eat. This man, you too like meat, oh. Wait so that you can marry so your wife will spoil you with meat.
Is it your wife that cooking? Or will you sing on the back?
But I'll come with one lady. Let me go and give him both meats.
Without
Okay, with it.
Yeah, eat meat to eat meat.
Rapunka. Oto there.
You want this one?
Yeah.
No problem, you can have it. Take. Come on, take it. Come on, eat that.
I think we should tell Papa our reason for coming home.
And how all is well?
Very well. He wants to start a building in the village, so we came so Papa could show him a land.
That is good news. I'm so happy. My two brothers are doing very well. But Namdi is building an upstairs, and now brother Ekene wants to start his own.
Yes.
Now you building an upstairs too?
Yeah, well, by the grace of God. But first things first, let me secure a piece of land.
Papa will take care of that. I'll call him. Let me pack this thing first.
Okay.
This man is not here again.
And who is this man?
Papa now.
Are you drunk? Huh? Is it Papa you're referring to as this man? Friend, if I slap you, your senses will align. Papa is a titled man. He's witchy. Address him properly.
What Ekene just said is very true. So that people outside will not address him as this man.
Wonder. Hey, why don't we just go out? I want to buy bananas at Go Square.
Mbamba, I am tired. I need to sleep.
Yes, well, that's sleep. After all, you're a married man. Let the single ones go out and look around.
So let's go.
I'm not going with you.
Why?
Didn't you just say you would slap me?
Okwadanegio. She is the baby in the house.
Branding me, I'm not going. You have to fight me.
Okwadanegio.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You must be expecting me because you saw me and threw away your broom. Because of Guru and get your job. What are your children? They've all gone. Can you choose for me? Let's go and do it. Come back.
I don't have strength. Have you bothered to ask me if I've eaten anything? Eh?
Makani. So, come in when they came with the wife and I want to tell me I can't afford. I will afford something more than hey! Uku Iwanenu Nezungi Uku Iwanane Nezungi Uku Mebel Obanenu Esumiya Uku Mebel Obanane Esumiya You Yo Oh Okoro Adeboja
Hey! Nine.
Counting very well. They are okay. Iyo.
Uku.
Iwanenu Ezungi.
Nine, wait.
Ozuro.
Hey!
Any problem?
Nine, wait.
What is it?
Only one.
I get video. Either tell you we want or lot of water. How are you? Since you lost your husband, I made the offer. I decided to take over the office of your waist down below. But each time I make you move, you revoke me. What is the problem? Tell me to solve the problem, please.
Ichie, you have a lot of widows on your neck. I don't want anyone like this. Go on with the ones that have been giving you the office of their west. I don't have time for people like you.
You don't have time for
people like you.
People like me. Personalities. Handsome men like me. Are you serious in what you're saying? I'm single, you know you're single?
Did I say it with food in my mouth? Stop disturbing my peace. I won't stop for you if you try stopping me next time. Kelly Gumagi, you check with me can a cock on Ikada Komoko in Rian Nagwagi, old fool.
Ah, Daddy. Why am I? Uku igba n'elu na-eso gị. Uku igba n'ala na-eso gị. Ukwu nnede igba n'elu na-eso gị. Ukwu nnede igba n'ala na-eso gị. She's smiling, oh. She's laughing. You're pretending. Oh, Thomas. You're pretending. Uku igba n'elu na-eso gị. Uku igba n'ala na-eso gị. Ukwu nnede igba n'elu na-eso gị. Ukwu nnede igba n'ala na-eso gị. Ukwu igba n'elu na-eso gị. Ukwu igba n'ala na-eso gị.
You're not going anywhere, whether you like it or not.
Anebu. See, you better leave my shirt. You better leave my shirt now.
I'm holding very tight.
I just beat you because you're a woman, though. If I beat you, if I handle you, your papa don't...
Look at you. You wouldn't dare even try to touch her. Because you're even bitter. Because if you try it,
shut up,
you were settle and let her go.
Look at this one. What did you know?
Settle and let her go.
What's your business? Were you there when it was up?
Yes, I was there because she's my friend. Yes. What is it?
I'm going anywhere. What is it?
I'll beat you up.
Look at this.
Hold it very tight. I'm talking
to you. I'm standing.
Don't mind this idiot. He came to my shop and bought some goods. Since last day, he gave me some of the money. And he has been dodging me. Just to give me the remaining money. You know he's a man. Leave his shit. Eh? I shouldn't be. I shouldn't be. It's going to run, though.
Me run this shirt before I leave here. Look at this one. I bought this shirt in Ochanja. Ochanja no Onisha. You may go on over.
Keep quiet.
So, Ebere, how much are we talking about?
Okay. He bought rubber slippers for his girlfriend for 700 naira. He paid me 500 and his remaining 200 naira. He refuses to pay me.
So if he gives you 200 naira now, you let him?
Yes.
You want to pay her? This greedy idiot.
Hey. Time it's on again.
You should be grateful. Someone wants to give her the one. You can go.
You have love. You have love. You don't have money. You don't have money.
Shut up.
Shut up.
On your shit. You have killed the king.
Let's go.
Next time.
Come on.
Did you see that? See how she solved the problem calmly and amicably. You know, she has a good heart.
She tried. Not everybody will do that. Everybody will do that. She chose to end the career by showing some maturity. good.
Do you know her?
Yes, but I know her. She's from Houston.
Choma.
That's what I know.
I have seen my
Brother. Just like that.
Yes, just like that. Except she's married or we're engaged. If not, that is my future wife.
Well, I don't know if she's married or engaged. But, okay, I'll take you to the house tomorrow.
Most times, people disgrace themselves for nothing. Hey!
So you try solving that one. You know Ibero is a very stubborn girl. So is Iken now. Who knows what would have happened if you didn't go to bed?
My thought exactly. Hey! But you know me, you know your sister. I don't like to see where there is quarrel or fight. So I had to do something.
My dear, thank God you were there. If not,
It would have been terrible. Thank God. If you see the way Bear was holding that by now, if you go say boy attack, if I was not there, it would have been a different story altogether.
thank God you were there.
If I'm not intervening, that thank God.
You need to see this. I need daughter. She is beautiful. She's so beautiful. In fact, that aside, she has a good heart. Believe me, you need to see what happened there. I can't even explain it. She's too good. I can't wait to see her again. Honestly.
So soon?
Immediately, time I draw.
Brother, you've not seen anything yet. My ears have been itching since Brother Ekene saw that girl. Just a little show of kindness and my brother tripped.
Hey, no. Don't go there at all. Ejeneba, want me to wait so that all these boys in the village are drama. Take her away. No, I say no. First things first for me. I will marry her. Time I'm done with everything, I'll be sure that she's my wife. I'll now relax and start building the house. Because it's even in the Bible. He who findeth a wife findeth a good thing. I have found a wife. So the moment
You have not. Because we don't know if she's married until confirmed.
she will not be married, I'm sure.
Oh, you people are here.
Papa, where are you coming from since we arrived?
I went out.
Just like that.
Am I of use to any of you? What am I doing for you?
Papa, we came to see you, so you show me a piece of land where I can start building my house.
Okay, that's wonderful, my son. That's wonderful. We have many parcels of land. Just go on any of them and build whatever you want to build. Just go to any of them and build whatever you want to build. You don't need me to take you there. Build anywhere you like.
Yeah. Namdi, did you just hear what Papa said? Did you hear what Papa just said?
Yes, Papa is right. You can build anywhere. At least you know our land.
What a coincidence. I was going to your house. See, I bought this for you to go and use and prepare Strala the soup for the two of us.
It's here. Hold your. I don't want it.
This wonderful gift, you don't want it? It's alright. What about you? My proposal was your answer to it?
Ichie, please.
I have told you I don't want to remarry. I have had a fair share of love and married life. Though it was taken away from me, but at least I have had enough that can last me lifetime.
You want to remain a widow for the rest of your life? It's not possible. Tell me what I should give you. I can take care of you. Mention whatever, I'll give it to you. Tell me this.
I know there are lots of women in this community that are ready to jump at that offer. You can go for them, especially those widows. Go for them.
That is why I'm saying this. I am lonely. Just marry me, all that will change. Eh?
Michi, you are really disturbing me. You have children that are taking care of you. Stop being a nuisance in this community all the time. Marry. Eh?
You call me a nuisance?
Yes, that is what you are. That is what you are. I am sorry I can't marry you, even if I want to be with a man. I know the type of men I'm built, not an old and rotten maggot like you.
Ginika! Ginika! Mwa womya. Ukwu ịgba n'elu na-eso gị. Ukwu ịgba n'ala na-eso gị. Ginika ịgba n'elu na-eso gị. Ginika ịgba n'ala na-eso gị. Ịgba. Ukwu ịgba n'elu na-eso gị. Ukwu ịgba n'ala na-eso gị. Ginika ịgba n'elu na-eso gị. Ginika ịgba n'ala na-eso. Ịgba n'ala na-eso. Ịgba n'ala na-eso. Ịgba n'ala na-eso. Ịgba n'ala.
Since you went to the stream,
Yes, so I had to rush before the children mix up and spoil the water with their kids. So
okay. You're welcome. This is the Canada brother.
Is Rose your sister?
yes, she's my sister. But she's not in the house at the moment. And she went to the market to sell her wood. You know, today is a market day.
Okay. Does she go to the market every day or only on one market?
Only on our market day. Hope there is no problem.
No, there is no problem. But there's actually a slight problem. I'm the buying scene now. You get only. Sister Rose.
Hey. Hey. Rose, my sister. Hey. Thank God. You're welcome.
So you said she's not around?
No, she's not around.
Please, when she gets back, tell her that Chioma Okorocha and her brother came to see her.
Which of you Okorocha?
Okorocha came out. The one you want.
No problem. I don't have one.
We'll come back. One brother.
Eh? Rose.
Since you said the girl is okay, you go ahead with that. Okay. Go ahead.
I'll find time to go and see her parents. When I go, I pick one or two kinsmen to go with me. Yes, sir.
Okay, Papa, thank you.
All right. Any other thing, because I want to go and take a look at my plantation now.
That reminds me, Papa. All these your plantations you have been checking, most of them belong to our mother. Choma is here in the village taking care of you. You do not bring any money for your food, water, or tea. Papa, I want to ask you this. Where are you keeping the money you're making from all these plantations?
Moke na afọ chalanya. Maka igbago na aja afọ ọnụ. We ji yi ojukwu. Ya ka iji afọ chalamanya. Be very careful. See, don't let me remember my old days. If I remember and go back there, it will be disastrous.
How I spend my money is nobody's business. At all. At all.
Papa, are you not tired of doing this thing? Papa, are you not tired? This same thing you've been doing since we were kids. running after all the widows in this village and spending all your money on them. I mean, look at your mates. They're not doing the same thing. There comes a time in a man's life when, you retrace your steps. We'll talk. You say you don't want to go back to your old ways.
Let me not say it again. How I spend my money is nobody's business. Because of this thing you said and the way you said it, I'm controlling my anger. Yes. Let me repeat. The money I spend is nobody's business. What do you even mean? The three of you. Why don't you advise yourselves? Eh? When you come back, you can. By even the what here, you fear no sniffer break you. Be very careful. As an elder, I overlook things. I would have said things a long time ago, but I'm overlooking. That's wisdom. But now you have triggered me. Don't try me. Don't try me. I'm going to Don't.
What kind of man is this? Kill the man. What kind of father are we have?
Brothers, please leave the man. Papa's repentance is not very close.
Hello? Honey? Yes. How are you? Yes, I will be back tomorrow, okay? First thing tomorrow, okay? Love you. It's my wife. She's worried.
She should now. She's not alone in the house.
She is what?
But what, brother? You don't have any excuses. It's true you are in your father's house, but she will have to miss you.
I am not arguing.
See, Choma, even first, when are we going to see my wife?
Brother, soon. Rushing things is not good sometimes.
Soon should be tomorrow now. Okay.
I am leaving this village first thing tomorrow morning.
Relax. Leaving first thing tomorrow morning. You don't have no wine. Relax now. You are married. Let me find my wife.
You're just saying wife. You have not even paid her bride price.
How will I pay her bride price when you want to leave tomorrow?
Okay.
Same thing I'm saying. Listen.
I don't know this person. I know Chamo Koroji. I don't know her brother.
He said something, he mentioned something about himself. In fact, I mean, when proverb, there's one proverb he dropped, but I don't understand. But anyway, there's something he said before. Ifecha,
how? I don't understand. What does that mean?
Marriage. The guy is handsome. The guy, I'm sure you like him.
He's in the It's not all about being handsome. It's not all about physical attributes. He might be very handsome, but dark inside. It's only God Almighty that knows a good person. So,
forget that thing. I know you will like him. He's very handsome. Oh, the guy, you are like here. Don't worry.
They are not serious. Let me go inside and get something. Go inside. They are not serious.
No, I know you like him. See, you're already happy. You've not even seen him. You're happy.
I saw you the day you solved the problem. Yes, I watched you. Since that day, I've not been able to sleep. I've been thinking about you and what you did. Okay, let me remind you. You remember the day a lady was holding a guy by the collar and they almost fought. You came there and you gave her money. You solved the problem, remember? Yes, I knew you remember. The moment you did that, there was instant peace. You know, I was actually somewhere with my sister watching you and you just won my heart. Believe me, thank you so much for what you did.
It was nothing. I wanted to just had to do something to start.
I knew you would say it was nothing, but you see, what you did that day is actually worth more than gold. I've been thinking about it. I kept on asking myself,
Hey, yeah, just that.
well, yes, just that. But you see, these little things mean a lot sometimes. You know, we don't even know when we do these things, and sometimes we save lives without knowing it. Think about this. What if you didn't come there? The guy may have hit the lady and possibly killed her or sent her to the hospital. But you came there and you just solved the problem calmly, you know? And then the day we came to see you, your sister said you went to sell in the market. It touched me. I asked myself, how much could you be making from selling your own? It's even possible it was your gain that you gave to that lady, and possibly from your capital. And you didn't care. I just loved you.
Thank you. Honestly, I needed somebody to teach.
That's the same way God watches all the people. So, my dear, my brother is here for you.
Immediately. You remember what I said that day? I noticed the other time we came here, we didn't see your parents. Have they gone to work again? Oh, so sorry. So sorry.
It's okay. We've been like this. Rose is my sister. I mean, just two years.
Remember what I told you? You were charged. So that is exactly why I've come. I had no time to waste. Just tell your kinsman that I'll be coming for your introduction. My father is likely to come here to see you, or possibly invite you to our place to see him. Whichever one he decides to do, just oblige him. Okay?
Just like that.
Yeah. A man doesn't have to speak 1,000 words before he convinces a woman. Okay, no problem. Let's see privately. See, Rosemary, I understand the way you're feeling. Shocked, surprised. You see, understand me. I'm not here to tell you about dating, to waste your time. I want to marry. I believe I have seen that straight to the point.
I'll think about it.
Okay, after thinking about it, how will you get back to me? Will you call me?
Don't have the phone.
Really?
Yes, because I don't have any phone tonight.
Okay. Alright, at least you can talk to my sister. Let her know she will talk to me, okay? One more thing. My father. My father is quite a character. In case you run into him and he says anything unpleasant, just don't mind him. Know him, okay? If you wish to say anything else, you're fine. And I'll see you later.
Bye bye. Bye bye. So now you're smiling. You're smiling. I told you you like it.
I really planned meeting your brother but couldn't. You know, it was one emergency after the other. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I can't stay mad at you because you didn't get to meet my brothers. Though they looked forward to meeting their in-law to be. They just left this morning.
See. Promise I'll make it up to you.
Okay. So when are you coming to see my father? At least to let him know that you're coming for the introduction.
Okay. Let's do it this way. I'll come meet your brothers in the city tomorrow. Yeah? And after that, we plan on how to meet your dad. What about that?
It's okay. It's perfect.
Can't wait to make you my wife.
Can't wait for
girl you met in the village has given you a lot of worries. How?
Honestly, I've not been sleeping. Believe me, I don't allow someone. My brother, every night I stay awake like this, thinking about this girl. Hey, is this how this love is? Yeah? You know, honestly, I was thinking that I was going to marry a beautiful girl from the city. That has always been my plan. Until I set my eyes on this village girl's man. Hey! Just a little show of kindness. She just won my heart. I'm telling you.
Oh, okay. When last did you talk to her?
The last time I saw her.
No. Oh, you should talk to her every day. Call her line, tell her sweet things, things that will make her love you. Bros, you need to be sharp, before all these village guys will take her away from you. Ha.
Nobody born of a woman can take that girl from me. Hear me? I have done my homework very well and I've brightened all the loose ends. So you cannot leave from anywhere.
A girl you want to marry has no phone since you came back from the village. Nothing stops you from getting her a phone, at least to keep in touch. And you said you have tightened the way. You have not done anything.
No. Listen to me again. Marriage is not a boyfriend or girlfriend thing as people say it. You have to do everything possible to win her heart. If possible, you visit her every day. After all, the village is not that far from here. It's about 1 hour drive or so. So whatever you want, you go for it.
Yeah. Yeah. Is this how you were going to see how
You need to have seen what this girl did to me after a while.
Wait, did you just call me this girl? No, seriously, you go.
Auntie, lady, Madam Koi Koi.
What's that? No. No, stop it. What's that?
How are you? Sit.
Thank you. Yes.
What do you care for? Mercy. Ma. Please get our visitor something to drink.
Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
My name is Michael. I'm a medical doctor by profession. Well, to cut the long story short, I met your sister. And you know how it is. Somehow we clicked. And as a matter of fact, we were planned for marriage. So, this is my formal introduction to you as the head of the house. I will still meet your father as soon as I get home.
You did so well, my brother. Look, I am not going to marry my sister. If she says you're the one, let it be. You're welcome as well.
Brother, where's Brother King?
He went to the market very early. Didn't you tell him that you were coming?
I did. I told him.
Maybe he forgot.
That's my brother's one.
I've seen that already. I don't need reminding. Nedalo.
No.
I have to be on my way now. Like I said, I still need to see you today.
So. Just wait, let me prepare something for you.
Don't worry. I am fine. I am okay. Don't worry.
You were under that. He told me look.
Yes, when he says, just make yourself comfortable with this. Choma, let's go to the place.
So how is it? Wow. Thank you.
Everything is fine. We bless God. How is the medical field?
We're there. We're doing our best.
That's good. A wonderful profession.
Okay. Bro, yes.
I greet you.
I greet you too, my brother. This is the guy.
Yes, brother.
Oh! Hey! What? I'm so sorry. Something came up. I had to rush out to take care of it. But I'm back. Now that I'm back, I'm making things.
Oh no, everything has taken place. I've eaten, we've had enough. I'm hurrying to somewhere.
No.
I need to catch up.
I say no, I will not accept it. My brother and his wife, they have done their own. Okay? Now I want to them.
Papa, I told you last week that my husband today will be coming to see you.
Was that why he went first of all to your brothers instead of me? He went to see them. Okay.
No, Papa. He works in the hospital in the city. It was very easy for him to see them there. It's not what you think.
As far as I'm concerned, you are talking rubbish. He knew you had a father, but he chose your own brothers. See, I'm not saying you will not marry you. But I may not be there. Do you understand? Yes. When the time comes, your brother will be ready to receive him. You do the necessary traditional things.
Papa, why are you like this? What sort of a human being are you?
Why are you acting as if Brother Ekene and Brother Nnamdi don't have any right on the issue? This is the same thing you've been doing ever since we were little.
You see how you are talking to your father? You see how you are challenging me? Because you've grown breasts? We're gonna make Allichi juicy now, who's she?
Go ahead. Did I say he will not marry you? What I'm saying is that I may not be there.
I'm not saying you should not marry, but I'm saying let Nnamdi and Ekene stand as your father and conduct the necessary rites for your marriage. That's what I'm saying.
So prepare your brothers to receive him according to tradition. That's the point I'm making. Go ahead and marry him. Don't say I said he will not come. No. Oh?
Papa, Michael wants to come and see you. But if you don't want him to come, Papa, this marriage will still hold. Papa, this marriage will still hold.
Oh, so you are now the authority. You're now the chief priest. The man who conducts tradition.
Conduct the marriage. You've expunged me. I am out of the picture. Since you have the right, go ahead, marry. Oh, let Nnamdi and Ekene give you the blessing. Oh,
I want to get married. I want to get married, Papa.
I didn't say don't get married, but let Nnamdi and Ekene perform necessary blessing. You know what? Reducing me to a man of no consequence. Look at the level you've forced me to come down.
Prayers in the morning disturbs him, and he claims to be a Christian.
I remember. He also said he had a problem with your late father.
How is that my business? No, tell me, how does that concern me? You just said my late father, not me. Okay, let me shock you. Do you know that your father doesn't test my food? Doesn't respond to my greetings? And has never been to his son's house? No, tell me, what kind of a man is that?
Sister, I'm tired. I'm so tired of the whole thing. Once my brothers visit the case room, once they consult the case man and everything is ready, with or without my father, I'm married. I'm getting married. This is what we have in the kitchen.
There's rice, beans. Just go and check.
Isn't it? Isn't it? Look at my phone.
Yes. It's a big phone.
Yes. Ekene sent it to me, so Choma gave it to me now.
Are you serious?
Yes. Ekene said you'll be coming back very soon to see me.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Good morning.
Papa, why did you tell Choma that you don't want to see the young man that wants to marry her?
Is that the proper way of telling your father, good morning, sir?
Good morning or not, I need answers.
Ah, you're talking to me that way. Look at the two of you. I've told you, since you took over the role of a father, give out the hand of Choma in marriage. Tell the in-law to come to pay bride price. As simple as that. What's wrong with that?
The young man only came to see his in-laws to be. What is wrong with it?
And I have said I don't want to see the young man. I'm not interested. Don't disturb me. In fact, I'm having a quiet moment.
Papa, things are not done that way. An elder does not sit at home and watch the nanny goat deliver in teachers. Papa, the other day you said we should not remind you of our past. Papa, if I may ask, are you doing all this because of the same past?
So, in what I get to you know, then you've learned how to say proverb. You gonna go? The instruction I gave is a very simple one. The young man came to see people first. You took over the role of a father. Go ahead, receive his bride price. Give out the hand of Choma in marriage. Who is stopping you? I will be part of it. I will be part of it. Eh?
Papa, your head needs to be examined.
Whose head needs to be examined? No, look at the heads of the two of us. Compare the two. I have hair. See, you don't have hair. Yours looks like a skull. Yes. Isikodo. Wishing like someone who is intelligent. Two of you, I deal with you. So, you've disturbed me so much on this issue. Challenging me on every count, every score. Your head is like a skull that should be examined. In Automaka, she go and examine your head. You see this your no single hair? You see kodo? That's what it is called. Go and examine your kodo. Look at this boy. Is your mother in?
Why are you looking for her?
Will you shut up and ask me questions? Are you silly? See, I left my house in anger. Do not let me to vent the anger on you.
Ichi, I have warned you severally to stop coming here. You have given my mother a bad name in this community. Ichi, inside that house, I have siblings. I have siblings that see all your movement in this compound. And by you coming here, you are corrupting them. Ichi, one day I will do something you would like. I will bring you now.
Will you shut up that mouth? Talk. Insulting a titled man. A red cap thief who has spent his money feeding the entire family. If I stop coming here, hunger will wipe away all of you. Was I the one that killed your father?
Chip, thank you so much. Thank you for reminding me that my father is dead. And that's why you've been coming here to sleep with my mother. She... No problem. Ichi, I'm grown.
Therefore,
stop calling!
tanchala. Dog even negi tanchala. Ukunne igba n'elu esomie. Ukunne gi gba n'ala esomie. Mamba ko kriko ne tanchala. I won't allow it to rust. It's my duty to nurture anya. Etinye manu. I won't allow it to rust. I'll come. Just clear she's not here now. I'll come later. Later.
That is the way you're boss. Let me catch you in this compound again. You will make it.
Ukunegi wanenu esomie. Ukunegi wanani esomie.
Ma fugo so.
Thank you very much. It's very beautiful. I like it.
I'm glad you like it. Anything for my wife. Did you tell your kinsman that I'll be coming for the introduction?
You just said it that day and left. I didn't know you were serious.
Yeah. You didn't know I was serious? Okay, so what am I supposed to do for you to know that I'm serious? Okay, let me prove to you that I'm coming tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm coming with my people for a formal introduction.
Now I'm convinced.
So, what are the things I should come with tomorrow?
I don't know. I've not been married. You should ask your father.
Okay.
Oh, is that looking at me like that?
If I take everything, take all of them, just give some to Ezine and take the rest. Just give us small, small, take all comments.
Thank you.
I am warning you for the very last time. Okay? That man is your crutcher. He's not good for you and your children. And the worst part is I don't even have any regard for your husband's brothers anymore. Mama, the whole village has to know that you people are committing adultery. Kidding her?
Hey. Adultery. When your father and Okrocha's wife are all dead. Adultery. When my husband's brother did not even contribute a dime in bringing up of my children. It's only Okrocha that will come here, two of us will be discussing together. This village has like to gossip. For me, I don't care.
You don't care. Mama, you don't care.
At all.
You don't care, eh?
No.
Are you the only widow in this village? Eh? Mama, stop being lazy. Ain't it too lazy, ma? Stop being lazy and depending on the man that will give you. Again, Mama, Ichokrocha has no good name in this village, especially when it comes to widows. Anyway, Sha, he came here and I asked him to go.
You asked him to go?
Yeah. Yes. I've said my own. No.
My own. Don't worry.
How are you?
Chi, I greet you.
Who are you?
My name is Michael. Your in-law to be.
So, you were a young man who went to see my sons in the city?
Yes, Ichi, actually, on that day,
Actually what? And actually fear bad. Will you leave my house this moment? Carry your amorphous body and get away from this compound.
Excuse me, Ichi. Is that the way you talk to people? That's not nice. You should have respect for younger ones as much as you want them to respect you. And did I commit any crime by trying to be your in-law?
Look at this one. Huh? You've come here to dream.
To marry Onye? My daughter? You're a daydreamer. In fact, a sumo wrestler. Look at your big tummy. You want to use your big tummy? You don't want na bed. Super and Sinike. In the name of what? Nana Chongwa. Get away from my house, sumo wrestler. When your name was mentioned, I hated it. And now you're here. I find you irritating.
Papa! Papa, don't talk to him like that. Mind the way you talk to him. Don't ask him to leave this house. After all, you did not contribute a kobo to the erection of this building. This house belongs to my late mother. If she were here, would you ask her daughter's tutor to get out?
In this atmosphere that he has found, you still have mouth to talk. Is that what you want? Cut up! Don't wake her up from the grave! Idiot! No! Go and wake her up from the grave to come and talk about the affairs of this house! Go!
Ichie, you slapped your daughter. Huh. So this is the kind of man that should be my in-law.
Who gave you in-lawship? Daydreamer! So you've come here to dream? No kamu! Eh? Look at you! Rough beard! Like that of a guru matiko gari. Eh? Get away from here! Sumo wrestler! Sumo wrestler! Look at big Tommy you're carrying to come and marry my daughter. Big Tommy! Joyce Subumwam Subokan Sneak Ebon Never. Joyce Subokan Never. Get away now! Or I see you go get away. I black. Can you? Can you move? I'm not crying a motor. I'm not the cable reverse. Must reverse a car. Go! Get inside!
What you're doing is not good!
Man, you got a tumor! Tumor on your neck! You're challenging me! Look at your stomach!
Papa slapped you all because Michael came here to introduce himself to Papa. That's all. Wait, are you sure you didn't insult him or talk to him in a rude manner? You're sure? Yeah. Huh? Don't talk to him about your marriage. Huh? Your whole marriage thing. Just leave him out of it. We'll handle it. Okay? Just let him. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go see Ichie so we can talk about it. Let me go see you. Why don't we do it this way? You come to my place as well, so you can meet. And after that, you go to your place. I'll meet you. I want to introduce you to my family.
I'm here to see your son again.
But you want to see my son?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go in there. He's inside.
Thank you, sir.
She's the girl I told you about.
Is that so?
The one I want to marry.
from this community?
Yes, sir.
Who is your father?
Late Onukwe.
Onukwe? So was Evelyn your mother?
Yes, sir.
Ah! My son. She's from a good family. They produce beautiful things. Like you can see. This one is not allaless. She is whoopful. No, my daughter, we're just placing the truth in its perspective. You can't dispute us. You are whoopful. My daughter is trying to place the truth in its perspective.
So, summary of what you are saying is that I can go ahead and pay her bride price.
Go ahead! Don't use any gear. Look, see my hand. Free movement. Ahead. See, ahead. Ahead.
Let's do it.
Inside there you can even begin the process. Even from here you can start. For here you can get out. I want to get out. Go ahead. Go make it.
You were good. I told you not to worry.
Where are you two coming from?
We went to see Papa.
And Papa has seen her. What did he say?
He didn't say anything. He just approved it immediately.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Okay.
Alright.
Nothing wrong, Shuma. You know what he said? He's my husband to be. So allow me to wash my hand and prepare a delicious meal for him.
No!
Husband and wife, yeah, guys, no problem. Brother. Did you call Brother Namdi to know about his wife's illness?
Oh yes. I spoke to him. He said his wife is back. And she's back from the hospital. Let's rush. We want to see her uncle before he leaves.
Okay.
This is strange. Michael did just like that.
Wait, is this how people die? Just like that. A young man who was full of life, running around for his marriage. Hey! God. Brother, how do we bring this news to our sister John? I'm suggesting we go to the village. Let us take her before the news gets to her. Let's bring her here.
Ekene, that won't be necessary. I already asked her to come.
Hey. And I just left the village yesterday. And this thing happened this morning.
It happened last night. His car skipped and ran into a bush. Before the young man could get help, he gave up the ghost and died at the spot.
This is terrible.
Oh, it's okay. It's not okay. Don't tell me you cried away from the village. It's okay. Michael was another son. You put this mother so much. What did you do to me, Alfred? They suffered. I knew what it took him to study medicine. And he just died just like that. Oh, this is so
Chuma, it's okay. Please stop crying, please. Stop. Please stop crying. Even if you cry for years, he's already dead. So please now stop crying. Please. It's alright, let's go inside. It's okay, Chuma, it's okay. Chuma, it's okay now.
I would only ask you to stop wasting your tears. Death is a death every mortal knows. I'm going to question the maker and giver of life. Only God knows it had to happen this way. But my sadness here is that he died a young man. A promising young lad that has every future to himself.
Where is your father? Does it mean he's not aware of this marriage or the date?
Of course he's aware. He's aware. I don't know where he is. Where is he? He didn't tell you where he was going to.
No, brother, he didn't.
Yeah. What's all this now? Don't stop it again. What is all this now? Eh? Calm down. Stop telling me to calm down. It's not funny. It's not funny now. Papa, do this too.
What is the matter? I am known for my punctuality. I don't go to events late. I obey the clock. Look at your watch. As it is now, we are late. And we are still here.
How much banging on there? It is even what's happening?
My elders, I'm really very sorry for today. Honestly, I didn't plan it this way. I'm very sorry for coming.
The issue is, where is your father?
When an elder decides to wash his dirty lilies at the market square, he soon reveals his irresponsible nature to strangers. We can't find him. He left some hours before you arrived. Did he not say where he was going to?
He didn't say. I have no idea. I just left.
I can't find him, Japan. What are we waiting for? Let us accompany him. Our in-laws are there waiting. What do you mean let him go and take his wife? Your father has food. And you can send him text or email so that he can come and meet us there. He can come and meet us there. He can always come. What Ichi is saying is true. Then Papa is in for a big surprise. Yes, let us go. Don't keep your presence with him. It is not proper to go without your father. He may have a reason why he's not here now. All we need to do is to possibly go home for now. You speak to your father when he comes and then let us know the developments so that we know what to do. What we have there is, we have drinks, we have things to drink. Couldn't buy what are you talking about? It's not proper to go without this. What we should do is that we should
go home. After they have discussed with his father, their father, they can come back to us. Let us know if they want. We should wait. Okay, let me wait. I'm the lad. I will wait here. I am where I am.
Brother, you're still here. Why don't you go and change? It's late, brother. Go and change. As you can see, I've changed mine. Brother, you didn't call brother now to make your
Hold on about 20 minutes. It's fine, it's done.
Brother, why don't you go and change?
Join me for something I want to say to shop. Mama, where are you coming from? Huh? Where are you coming from?
Huh? Are you querying your father? How I spent my day? Is it a business?
Yes, it is my business. Because you know what was supposed to happen today. Where are you coming from, Papa? Where?
If you must know, I went to Enugu for a business meeting.
What business meeting?
You went to where, Papa? You know that's not true.
So I'm lying. Your father is lying?
I don't know. But someone told me you were at Mabel's house.
Eh?
Mabel, the widow. And I really don't want to think about what you were doing there. But Papa, what you did today was bad. Very bad.
So this is a gang up. An ambush. You ganging up against your father.
We are not ganging up against you. We are simply telling you the truth. What you did was wrong on all levels.
Yes.
You vehemently refused to go with me for my marriage introduction. Yet you went to see Mabel. Where you go to waste all your money. Is it fair? Is it fair?
What you did was also wrong. You see that girl? You will not marry her.
Eh?
Over my dead body will you marry that girl? Over my dead body. Yeah.
Over my dead body. See, Papa, I love and respect you as a father. But you see this one, Idalia?
Yes.
This particular one, Idalia completely, not me. I am a grown man. Full grown man, I can take decisions for myself. I know what I want and I will do what I want. I am going to marry her and you cannot stop me.
You will not marry her.
I said I will marry her.
Period.
Period for you too.
Period.
Period for you.
Period. 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 Odo piri. Piri kenne wuku kwa chamwala watu.
Sasea kedi feneme onye ọbụla n'iwe onye ọbụla n'afụfụ
Good day, Jim. Who are you? My name is Joe. I am the son of late Joe Kenga. I saw Choma a few days ago and I told her I'll be coming to see her father from lunch. That is why I'm here, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh, Chi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Duru or whatever they call you, don't come here again telling me you will marry my daughter. You want to marry her, you go to the city. That's where her brothers are.
That's where the previous ones were trashed out.
I beg your pardon.
Papa, who are the previous ones, if I may ask?
Those of them who came before for your marriage, they went to your brothers. Your brothers thought they were smart. They thought they were smart. Let's see them. Let us see them.
Choma, they didn't tell me all of this. Iche, this is not how to handle your family issue. Every man will want a good husband for her daughter. But here, you sounded so strange.
So, you have not married? All of a sudden you have become a marriage counselor. I married, I got children. You are nothing, you know nothing about marriage. You become a guidance counselor teaching me what to do about marriage and my daughter.
Look at this one. Yeah? Will you get out of here? I'm done with you. The name is Duru. Who knows if it comes from Ike Duru?
Papa.
Duru.
Papa.
Now do it for Adam.
Papa.
You mean
Papa! This is the second time you are doing this. Let me now make it clear to you. I am going to get married, with or without you. Let's bet it. Let's bet.
Huh? We should bet. You want to bet your father? Huh? Okay. Let's bet. No! Let us bet! Let us bet. Without a bet, yeah, without a bet. Because you can't do. Or you can't do. You see, you can't do.
I heard you came. Yes, I did. I came to find out if you are aware of what is happening between your mother and my father. See, I'm aware. I have warned your father severally. Stop it. How am I doing? I've told him that if not for you people, I would have poured hot soup on him. My dear, I know you're having a gas for us, but stop having a gas for us. Your mother and my father are creating nuisance in this community. Soon people will start saying all sorts of things. Like mother, like daughter. Iman. See, why I'm saying this is for your own good. You and the younger ones better go and talk to your mother. Go and talk to your mother. I've tried. No, I've tried. But no problem. Since you're giving me license, I've prepared I will see him again. Let me go to Kenga's house, His son will be which Duru? The Duru, you know now. The Duru I saw both of you standing together last time.
Hey! Hello!
You don't know?
Hey! Chimo!
He died in his sleep,
Hey!
What happened?
Chimo!
Nobody knows what happened. Why am I here?
Hey! Hello!
Give us
What is happening to me? What is happening to me?
I met a young man from Ishimu village.
Okay.
And he proposed marriage to me. He came to see Papa the other day. And Papa did his usual by insulting him. Telling him to come and see both of you. That he's not interested. The young man left after exchanging some words with Papa. The next day, I got news that he's dead.
Oh, he died in his sleep. Don't you think he's suffering from any ailment?
The one was healthy. They said he foamed and died.
This is an attack. It's an attack. Hey!
Do you know what that is going on in the village? That is that you kill any man that comes close to you.
Yeah?
Yes. I tried to defend her, but they say it's because your brother wants to marry me. That's why I'm defending you. I went to your house the other day to see you, but I met only your father.
Brother, did you hear that? Why would I kill any man that wants to marry me? We all know about village and their kind of gossip.
Cousin